Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video. Today I will be creating beautiful exploding box. It's got lots of flowers. Some are from Iran, some are just artificial flowers. And this box is created with AB Studio Never Neverland papers. This is a lovely collection with lots of elements to cut out, and I'll be using many of them today. Gorgeous colors, the colors are really intense, and I think the box is just beautiful. I'm starting with preparing my exploding box base. I bought that base, I didn't make it, but I have a video on my channel where I make one, so if you would like to make it, I will link that video in the right corner on the screen, so you can go and see how to make the exploding box base. My next step is to cut the squares which will go on the outside walls of my box, and I have chosen that beautiful flowery paper. It's got big gorgeous flowers, and I think it will look just amazing. And my box is 10 by 10 centimeters, so I'm cutting the squares slightly smaller to have them on the outside walls. For the lid and for the inside, I have chosen the light pink spotty paper. It's very delicate, and I think it will be great as a background for my arrangements inside the box. And also I wanted the lid to be in light color because I've got the flowers in rich colors to go on top of it. I will decorate the inside of my box first, then I will do the lid, but decorating the inside I'm starting with the side walls. So if you want to have something in the middle, I will have a little pot with the flowers. It's best to start with the side walls, because if you will do the middle first, then that item in the middle, it's kind of in your way. It's like not comfortable to decorate the sides. So I usually do the sides first, then I do the middle, then I do the lid. And I cut out few labels, like you could see those rectangles, frames, whatever you can call them. So I will have one on each wall, and then I will cut out many leaves, flowers, you know, those elements which you have in the sheets to cut out. These are just beautiful, and they will be I will be creating arrangements with them. I have chosen some elements to decorate the box. I may add something a little bit later, but this is what I'm starting with. So I have few Iran flowers, I've got some stamped leaves. These are stamped with my new stamps, Lady E design stamps. I also have all those elements I cut out of the papers. I've got die cut leaves and also a few pieces of lace. And this is like for decorating my sides of the box. When decorating each side, I usually place few elements, create a little arrangement, and when I'm happy with it, I will just glue everything together. I try to keep it quite simple but nice. Because of those beautiful colors, it will just look like it's very like spring and fresh. I just love it. So using the same elements, actually most of them are the same on each side. I am creating little arrangements, and you don't need to have many elements because they are similar, everything like look really nicely together. I am creating them in different ways, but actually using the same elements on each side, almost the same. Now I'm starting to create my little pot full of flowers to go in the middle of the box. I have found that really small plastic pot, and I already cover it with one layer of gesso, of white gesso, and then I'm going to stick a little sponge in the middle of it, and then I'm going to add sisal and moss, so that will be my base for the floral arrangement. I have here two actually Famiran flowers and one artificial flower, few little berries, and I think it all looks really cute. I'm going to place my little pot in the middle of the box, and then I'm going to add some leaves around the pot, and I found a little pieces of wood and small berries. I will change the angle of the camera in a minute so you can see better what I'm doing, and I must say that I'm really happy with the box. I do not use those colors very often, and I don't really like red, but here it looks all amazing. It's time to decorate the lid for my box, and I have another little square to go on top of it. Then I'm going to add pieces of cheesecloth and then build a flower arrangement on top of it, and I'm using the same elements which were inside the box. So I will have Famiran flowers stamped and die cut leaves, berries, all the same colors. And unfortunately my camera stopped at one point, and you cannot see, like, when I'm adding a piece of ribbon on the top of the box, and also like a little ribbon bow and twine bow. And then I have added a little bit of white gesso on top of my flowers and leaves. So this wasn't recorded, but you will see it at the end when I'm showing you the whole box. And yeah, that's it actually. This is quite a long video like for me, but I hope you stayed till the end, and I am so happy with that box. It's just so pretty. I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you like the video, and I hope you like the box. Please, if you will create something similar, tag me on social media with a tag Lady E Design or Emilia Sieradzan, so I will be happy to find your project and to comment. I would be really happy to see what you create. I make those videos for you so you can be inspired and create similar projects. I would be really happy if you would make similar box, so let me know. And also I want to thank you so much for supporting my channel and supporting me, leaving positive comments. It's all I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, that's it, I think. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Take care, have a lovely day, bye.